Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. It's on Saturday morning, 12 noon, May 14th, 12 noon Eastern time is group live help. It's absolutely free and everyone's invited. You can just come in and watch if you just like to learn about rainwater drainage. And you know what's great about live help, the group live help, is that as I answer a question with somebody else in their backyard, maybe they're putting in a French drain and they want to know, how deep is the drain? Well, you might have that same question and the same problem in your backyard. And you'll actually learn by listening to how we answer that question, and it probably will give you the insight and be able to solve your problem as well. I just posted so many videos. One was from Live Help, and it was Tiffany. If you remember, she's out in California, and she paid a handyman to dig all the way around that exterior of her house. Really tough job. And I actually invited Tiffany to join us too. She's pretty busy, but if she can, she'll be in there for about an hour from 12 to 1, roughly in there. And if you have any questions, you might want to ask Tiffany, what's it like to, pay somebody to do that labor and then consult with Chuck to actually make sure that it's getting done proper. Hopefully she's there. I'll be able to answer some questions. I've also invited my brother Chris from Atlantic Drain up in Columbus, Ohio. He's pretty busy too. We're all really busy, but hopefully he can come in. And remember, he's up north there. I just posted a video about the exterior look up and showed you a lot of things there. One of the things that kind of sticks out in my mind is I really want to do a rant, and I've never done a rant before. I usually don't put people down or any work or anything like that. But curb holes, they are so important. And it's like, is Columbus, Ohio, the only city to get this right? I can't believe that. I mean, there's 1 million homes in Franklin County and surrounding areas, and all of these drain lines come out to the street. And that's where they're supposed to go. This thing about, oh, you're not allowed to do that, you need permits, we can't let the water come off of our property. It freezes in Ohio, you guys. It freezes just as hard as it does in Michigan or Wisconsin. There's definitely days that are 20 below zero. And this is done proper. And I'd never really thought about doing a rant before, but maybe I should try it. Anyways, Live Help, it's on. Group Live Help, Saturday, May 14th at 12 noon Eastern. The link is in the description box below. All you need to do is click that link and it'll take you right into the chat. There's nothing required. You might need to download Zoom. I can't really remember. I think you can actually just do it from the internet. But regardless, click the link. It'll take you right into the chat. And I'll admit we'll get all the people in the group. We're ready to go. Live Help, Group Live Help. Get the help you need. Live Help, May 14th, Saturday, May 14th, 12 noon Eastern. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day. It's on.